Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the watch battery on your Timex Indiglo. So we have two various models, the big one and the smaller one, both with the Indiglo function, and I will show you the differences between the two batteries. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy these kind of videos, make sure to subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and also check out our website vintageradar.com, link in the description below. So guys, if you own a Timex watch or several Timex watches, you might wonder how to replace the watch batteries and also what kind of watch batteries do you need. I will leave a link in the description below to the batteries, also to a basic watch tool kit in case you do not have any watch tools and you want to start out on your watchmaking journey. Also, I would suggest purchasing a watch press in order to close the watches, so in order to put the back on the snap-off back watches, because not all of them can be done with your hands. And here I will show you the differences between the CR 2016 and CR 1216. So if you look on the back of your watch, you will have a number, CR 2016 cell. So that means that this particular Timex model works with this kind of battery. So the CR 2016, and here we have an opened one, so CR 2016. And let's show you also how to change it. On the back, you have a small arrow that points to the place where you need to put your case opener, so your watch knife opener, and in order to snap off the back of the watch, then you simply take the watch battery and place it gently so that you do not damage the watch movement, and as you can see, the watch will start ticking. Now the back on this particular model cannot be pushed with your hand, so that is why you will need a watch press just like this one. Let's show you. So you will place the watch and then simply press a little so that the back goes in its place. Now we have the first watch ready. Then we have the second one, so the smaller version. You can see here CR 1216. We'll use the same case opener in order to pop out the back. And then once again, you can see that we have a similar movement and we need to place the watch battery here. Now on some Timex watches, at some point, if you keep on replacing the watch batteries, they won't stay. So as you can see, the holder, so the battery holder isn't holding the battery perfectly. So the tension within this small metal piece does not hold it perfectly. And here you can gently position your watch battery, and then when you place the watch back, you can actually press the battery. But I would recommend to do this only if you have some experience with watches, because you can actually damage your watch. So as you can see, we have the battery in. If we turn off the lights, we can actually also check the Indiglo function, as you can see, in working condition. So that is why Timex uses these large batteries, so that you can also power the Indiglo function. Here we have a more modern type of watch. And here on the back, this time you can see that we have a SR621SW. So you will be able to actually read that on the back of your watch battery. So let's take it out and have a look. And as you can see, 621. So as you can see, different Timex models use different types of watch batteries. So you can easily go and check the back of your watch in order to know what kind of watch battery your Timex watch uses. And also make sure to invest in a few watchmaking tools, because they will help you a lot, and this way you won't damage the watches, the movements, the watch crystals, the cases, and you can also put the watch backs in with your watch press. So make sure to have all the necessary tools before starting to work on your watches, so that you do not end with a broken watch or with your watch in two pieces, because you cannot put the back in its place. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and you can now replace the watch battery on your Timex watch and also know what kind of battery your Timex watch uses. Also, once again, you will have a link to everything that we've shown you in this video, so make sure to check them out in the description box below. Thank you guys, and see you next time.